And when I get to the place, I'll start the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, your favorite Igbo girl, your favorite Igbo teacher in the building, igboticnono. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Funny enough, your subscription is what gets me moving, aside the fact that I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So guys, I promised you guys a video of New Yam Festival. Yes, today is the big New Yam Festival. That is Ewaji. And when I'm to see Metata, I told you guys I'm going to be bringing in of course freestyle Igbo learning. Carry you guys along when I'm about to leave the house, because if I start vlogging, I might not be able to finish up these things I'm cooking in time. Of course we had people that are going to cook for us, but of course there are some things you as a family will also cook and bring, which I'm the person that is doing it. So guys, I need to quickly cook this thing because we're running out of time, you know, with kids, and also we're running out of time. I need to really cook it first, so that I can of course have my bath and they have their bath and we dressed up. Then I'll come back and talk to you guys as long as we leave. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I'm late already. This is what I look like. When I get to the place, I'll start the video because I can't do it now. We are running along because I'm very late. Hope I look good. This is Ishiago, yes, representing the African Igbo culture. As usual, when I get there, I'll show you guys. So guys, we are back at it. Guys, if you notice now, I just removed the audio from the background because obviously YouTube is going to give me a copyright if I don't do so. And particular in this place, I was just trying to explain to you guys that I'm here already and the party is getting lit. Almost everybody is here and the music is on the background and people are just chilling and having so much great fun. And I just wanted to show you guys what I was wearing because I was not opportune to do that. Okay, so guys, on this section, this is the yam, and of course this is a cake, so beautiful, and the yam, and the reason for the day, and of course the food we're gonna take: meat pie, fried rice, jollof rice, stockfish, you know, mixtures, and oba, and so many things, guys, so many things to eat today. In fact, eat and carry and go home at your service. And here we are drawing something on the floor and wishing good gods to protect and give us new plants. Yes.
But you see, one thing is certain. I did not see all of them dancing. So I want to see them dancing together. 4 of them dancing to see who I can say that is the winner. You all can also join later, but first I want to see their 4 steps.
Okay.
Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Do you agree with me?
Sure.
Okay, DJ, let's go. Let's see what they can do. Let's see what they can do.
I'll take the female boy.
I think I'm going to be obstructing if I go to that side.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I get it prepared.
I think I'm going to be obstructing. I need to get them properly. Okay, I think it's better like this. Copyright did not allow me to rest in this video, guys. In fact, in this part, they were trying to dance Obode Kwerugo, Anya Wachawago, Anya Putago, Ihe Mewego, Imakoye. Factory fitted full auction, double silencer. If I never won't pay was no double condenser. If I no dogo we can have one so I can't was in chawa ude when they saw chai denko. If all I meant to silike ndoma. So that's the song that they are dancing here, but of course copyright, I can't leave it on the background and I had to mute it. I just wish this song was playing and these guys were dancing here, but copyright removed it. I don't have choice. All work and no play, somebody else will yield the fruit, so I had better abide by removing the music on the background. But that's what I just sang for you guys, so I hope you feel it, man. I hope you feel it, man. You know, it was just a very beautiful day. People were excited, everybody was bubbling, everybody was excited, people were chilling, having fun, eating food, you know, so much merriment. And I just wish this day will come by again, because it was a day that you wouldn't forget. There are so many things I missed to film because I was busy with the kids and with things happening, and I remembered I promised you guys a video, and I still went back to, you know, capture some things because I know I have to deliver. I have promised, is I have promised, and I must deliver. So many dance around. You can see me dancing here, the sit dance, and I won. Of course, I won is a scented candle, a pack of a scented candle, because I was the one that won this game, even though I felt I was not gonna win it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have subscribed already, and do have a good day.